Let's tie-dye today. Hey y'all, here we, camera, focus. Okay, our camera's trying to focus, so let's just get the nitty gritty out of the way. As always, it's a 100% cotton shirt. It's been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more. Has been spun out in the wash machine till damp. And look, my camera just caught up. Okay, here we go. This is a gorgeous Jeffrey Bean sport shirt. It's a women's size 10. It's got a beautiful texture to it. I love these long sleeves with the kind of like a formal cuff on them. So I've got it laid out flat. I've got it buttoned up, and I'm going to start a spiral in the lower corner, because y'all know I love a lower spiral as opposed to a center spiral. I'm going to be very relaxed about this spiral as well. As you can see, I'm just bunching the material together. I'm not worried about the high peaks, the low valleys. I'm not worried about fan folding and fingering everything into place. I'm just kind of bunching a spiral design. This is going to be a real relaxed type of design, full of color. It's going to be awesome. The collar's pretty stiff, so I'm just going to crinkle that into place at the top of the spiral. And then I'm just going to kind of wrap the sleeves around and follow the circumference of the spiral itself. Alright, it's time for the magic. Let's speed this up, put the rubber bands on. Okay, this is, we've spiraled from the corner up, and we did a real sloppy spiral too. So I'll be using natural fiber procion dyes, and they're going to be mixed to the manufacturer's specification. I'm going to make this super bright. I'm going to use lemon yellow, hot pink, Fuchsia Red, dragonfruit, power berry, and lilac. It's a lot of colors. Okay. And so I'm going to make like my... I'm just going to make abstract pie pieces. Around 3 on one side. And then 2 on the other, because we're going to do a wash in the power berry. So I have to decide which ones and how. The placement, so on and so forth. So I'm going to do yellow pie here. Finish up my yellow. Very generous with my lemon yellow. And then next to that, I'm going to do the hot pink. And then next to that, I'm going to do the Fuchsia Red. And then we're going to do a power bearing. And we'll just do it before I turn it over. Then on this side, I'm going to keep the purple away from the yellow. So I'm going to do the dragon fruit on this half. I'm going to do the lilac on this half. And then a squiggle of power berry. It's going to be bright and pretty. Alright, let's bag it. And I'll see you. And I did all of that. Oh, I did record. Oh! I thought I wasn't recording. Here we go. Okay. See you in 24 hours. And here you have it. Because it is a fitted shirt, and you can kind of see because the way the waist goes in. This is one that I would think that you wouldn't tuck in, which is why I put the burst here going up as opposed to like on the shoulder going down. If it was a more of a tailored style shirt, as in the tailored tails that you would tuck in, because you don't want to lose that pretty being tucked in your pants. And I love these cuffs. And it's just kind of like that formal touch like you would see like on a tuxedo shirt. And it's kind of the ultimate rebellion of a hippie to tie-dye a formal shirt. Right? Right? And if you could see why I didn't want to put the purple directly on top of the yellow, because although they are great companion colors, they get muddy if you get them mixed up too much together. So this way the yellow shines through and that purple accents it beautifully. And here's the back. Just a cute, cute, cute little fitted shirt. Be great under a blazer or a cardigan. So look what we did today. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure to put this in a playlist for you so it's easier to find. I've got a ton of videos on my channel. Not only tie-dye, but jewelry making and other crafts, along with my spiritual journey and all of my crystals. And remember, can't make a video without cooking. And remember, be peaceful. Cook says, be peaceful. Be kind. It's important. Have a great day.